Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the iPhone Hotspot now. Open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot. Once done, toggle Allow others to join and confirm the hotspot name and password. You do this because the Android will need exact SSID and passphrase to connect. Make sure cellular data is active, since the hotspot shares that connection. If you see a warning about Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, ignore it for now. We'll use Wi-Fi to join from the Android in the next step. On your Android, open Settings and go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Once you see the iPhone SSID, tap it and enter the password you copied. Passwords are case-sensitive, so type carefully. After you connect, check the Android shows internet access. If not, forget the network and retry typing the password. If the iPhone asks to allow this device, confirm. Also make sure Android's airplane mode is off so Wi-Fi can function normally while tethering. Finally, verify the Android browser or app loads a page to confirm internet access. If it doesn't, restart both phones and reconnect. Restarts clear temporary network conflicts. Make sure you haven't hit the iPhone's device limit in Personal Hotspot or a cellular data cap on your plan. If problems persist, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, retype the password on Android, or temporarily disable VPNs. These often block tethering. One key tip: if Android connects but has no internet, restart the iPhone last.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.